Hey there, aspiring entrepreneurs and small business enthusiasts. Now, welcome to Just Digital, your ultimate hub for small business resources, tools, and guides. I'm Mona, your guide in the digital realm, and today we're diving into the exciting world of starting your very own virtual assistant service. So, grab your notepad because we're about to lay down the essentials for your journey to success. First things first, let's talk about the essentials you'll need to start a successful virtual assistant service. The backbone of your operation is, of course, your virtual workspace. Tools like Trello, Asana, or Monday.com can help you stay organized and manage your tasks efficiently. Here, take a look at how these platforms can help you streamline your workflow. From task management to project collaboration, they've got you covered. Now, let's talk about communication. As a virtual assistant, clear and effective communication is key. Utilize platforms like Slack or Microsoft Teams to keep in touch with your clients and team members seamlessly. See how these platforms facilitate real-time communication and collaboration? It's like having your office in the palm of your hand. Next up, let's discuss time tracking and invoicing. It's crucial to keep tabs on your work hours and ensure you're compensated for your valuable time. Tools like Harvest or Toggle can help you track your time efficiently and generate professional invoices for your clients. Efficient time tracking not only helps you manage your workload, but also ensures you're fairly compensated for your hard work. Now, let's talk about marketing your virtual assistant service. Create a professional online presence with a website. Platforms like Squarespace or Wix make it easy to build a stunning website that showcases your skills and services. This is where potential clients can learn more about you and your virtual assistant offerings. Take inspiration from these virtual assistant websites. A clean and informative site goes a long way in attracting clients. Remember, your website is your digital storefront. And there you have it, aspiring virtual assistants, the essentials you need to kickstart your own virtual assistant service. Stay tuned to Just Digital for more tips, tools, and resources. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're not subscribed yet, well, what are you waiting for? Subscribe for more content tailored just for you. I'm Mona, signing off. Until next time, keep hustling and stay digital.